This might be a stupid video that I'm making, but I'm making it because somebody asked me a stupid question and they don't go back and watch some of my old videos. But back in 2017, I was having problems breathing. They assumed, whoever this person was, assumed it was the virus that's going around right now. But it's not. Back in 2017, because this is ProMedica, my chart, as you can tell. And these are all the health issues I have. But as you can tell, shortness of breath added July 7th, 2017. So it's been almost 3 years ago. So if you click on that, it says breathing problems. I was diagnosed with COPD then, because I have problems with my lungs. Let's see if I can close that out. The doctor that I see for it, upcoming visits, is Stacy. She is a pulmonologist, sleep doctor. She deals with lungs. And that's not the only thing I have. I also have heart problems. So anybody that thinks I have the virus, I don't. I actually see a pulmonologist for my lung problems, and I've been taking this inhaler for almost 3 years. It is the Brio Elliptica inhaler. As you can tell, there's only 8 doses on it. So this one's almost empty. I have a new one that I have not opened yet. Right here. And it says Brio Elliptica inhaler. I take it because I have lung problems. So I don't know why this person, I don't know who they are. I've never seen them on my channel before, but they commented and said, do you have the virus? No, I do not have the COVID or coronavirus, as you guys would like to say it, because I have heart and lung problems. So there's not much that can be done. I do take, like, as you saw, I take that inhaler, and then I take this one as needed. So any videos that you guys hear me coughing in, it's because of the humidity. So I take 2 different inhalers, and it goes by the humidity that that is in the air. And like, I just took a hot shower. The humidity from the shower kind of caused me to cough. But no, I do not have the virus. So for anybody that thinks I do, I don't. I just have to be careful because with my immune system being so weak, I could get it. So that's why I have to be careful. I have to watch who I'm around or anything like that. That's why I don't go out in public that much. The only thing I do is get the mail and do my route, because that's, since I drive for the local newspaper, that is considered an essential business. So, but yeah, there is nothing severely wrong with me other than lung problems I've had for the last almost 3 years now. I don't know why I have to explain myself to somebody, but this is, it's like, really? And the thing is, yes, I commented on that video because I don't know if they were being a smartass or what, but I don't know why I have to really explain myself about this. But it is a lung problem that eventually, as I get older, my lung capacity decreases. I sleep on a BiPAP machine, which is forced oxygen, because I stop breathing. There's nothing that can be done. I'm doing exactly what the doctors have told me to do in the last 3 years. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.